Let's make some börek in air fryer. Take some oil in a pan, 1 chopped onion and half of the green pepper. Fry this until the onions are like translucent. Once the onions and peppers are lightly cooked, I'm gonna add half kg of chicken keema. You can use lamb, mutton or beef keema as well. Now I'm gonna fry this keema until it's brown. Keema is brown, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry this for a few more minutes. Add 1 chopped tomato and some coriander. You can use parsley if you don't like coriander. A teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cumin powder, black pepper. Now stir fry this for 5 to 6 minutes. This is how the filling looks once it's ready. So we're gonna cool it down now. Take a bowl. I'm gonna take 1 egg yolk, or you can take a whole egg as well. To this I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix it. Now take some filo pastry. Now brush the mixture that we made on the pastry. Place another pastry on top of this one. Brush it again. Place 1 more layer of the dough. Add the filling on the side. Just brush the mixture here as well. Roll it. I'm gonna add some cheese to this one because why not? I'm using mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna cut these in half because otherwise I won't be able to fit them in my air fryer basket. Now take your air fryer basket, place the börek in there. Now brush these with the same mixture that we made. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on them, some nigella seeds, dried parsley, just for the color. Now these are gonna go in the air fryer 180 degrees Celsius, and I'm gonna check on them after 15 minutes. This is how the börek look after 15 minutes. Yes, I'm gonna flip them. Actually, I think I don't need to glaze them because all that glaze has gone underneath them already. Oil spray them. Back in the air fryer for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So these are done from this side as well.